So this is a quick disclaimer. This video is a complete skit. It's completely fake. It's a spoof. So if you don't like skits or spoofs, then go off the video and don't watch it if you don't like these types of videos. So yeah. So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I have a gigantic package, and I only ordered 2 things, which is weird because the package is this big. And yeah, I did cross out my stuff. But anyway, so I did already open it, but I didn't look inside. I had like my sister check over and see if and just look in there. But anyway, I cannot wait, so let's go. So I'm gonna give you guys the first peek. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I have no idea like what else is inside because I only ordered 2 things. I don't know. Let's just grab. So the first thing that I grab is oh my. Guys, I didn't order this, guys. So this package was from an Instagram that she said she was like my #1 fan, or like she was my I was her #1 fan, and she said that she like couldn't wait to like send me stuff. I have no idea. Is this like an extra? I don't know, but oh my gosh. So this squishy seller's name is squishy._fake, and so I don't I don't understand. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just squish it, I guess. I might be emailing her to just contact her about this. But anyway, let's squish it. That is so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so soft and so squishy, guys. Oh my gosh. And guys, this is like on my dream squishy list. I can't believe that I'm holding this. And it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's squish this in real life. I cannot believe they gave me this. Oh my gosh, I feel bad. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long because it seems like there's a lot of squishies. So let's just go on to the next one. I'm just gonna grab. So I think this is the thing that I ordered. It is. So I ordered this mango mochi seal. So let's open it. Whoa. So it comes with this ball chain, and it's gold, and it has this little like yellow dust pluggy. And I can already smell it from like far away. Like, it smells so good. It smells like fruit. It smells so good. But anyway, it's adorable and it's really shiny. So let's squish it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that's really airy. Ooh, so slurrizing. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. It's so cute. It's so there's my first item that I actually bought. Let me reach in and get another thing. Okay. What the heck? Oh my gosh. I didn't order this either. This is like a $20 squishy. Okay, I can't take this. What? They gave me this, which I didn't order. And this is like $20, $20 to $25. I'm gonna have to contact her because she is giving me all these squishies. And they're like this is like $30, I think. Like $25 to $30, maybe even more. And this is like $20. Oh my gosh. And the packaging is so crisp. Oh my gosh. So let's just squish it, I guess. I don't know. That is so slow rising. Oh, and by the way, guys, this is the Ibloom Cutie Pineapple. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am shocked right now. Like, I can't take all this stuff. All these squishies that I didn't buy that are like so expensive. And it's so slow rising. Like, look how slow. Oh my gosh, okay. This video is getting long, so let's just go on to the next thing. Oh my gosh, not again. Oh my gosh. No. This is a dream. Oh my gosh, no. No. This, I didn't order this, guys. Okay, this is a dream. I need to... Why am I getting all these extras? She gave me this as an extra. It's a chocolate Le Pain Francais. And this is Ibloom, guys. Why is she giving me all this stuff? I might need to send some of this back because, like, oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This can't be true. This is no. Okay. Why am I believing this? I know this. Okay, this is this is literally so soft. Like, look. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? We're gonna squish it. This is amazing, guys. I have no idea. Why is she giving me all this? Okay, guys. I don't know if this is the wrong order. If someone else ordered all these other squishies. But I got one of my purchased items. But all these other items, I don't know. I don't know. It smells like chocolate. I think it needs to air out a little bit though because it smells kind of chemically. It's really like floppy. Oh, it smells so good, like chocolate. And it's so soft. Oh my gosh, okay. I guess let's just feel for the next thing, I guess, in the package. So the next thing is... No way, no way. Oh my gosh. This is one of my dream squishies. Wait. Oh my gosh. This is... Guys, you don't even know. This is like my first dream squishy. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. Harper, calm down. Calm down. It's this Polystar macaron, and it's the pink version, which is the one that I've wanted. And oh my gosh, it's in such crisp packaging. I can't take this. No, I have to send some of these back, like all of these. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess I'll squish it for you guys. Oh my, that's like so soft. It's like almost as soft as this, but not, but it's so soft, guys. Guys, oh my gosh, no. I can't take this, no. I have to send some of these back, sadly. But, like, I can't take this Ibloom cutie pineapple, like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, okay, so I think there's, like, one more thing in here, I think. Oh, wait, I don't. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. The next thing. No, guys. Oh my gosh. They gave me this. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is like my actual #1 thing. Like, it's this Yummy Bear macaron, and this just came out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. No, I have to send this back. I really don't want to, but why is she giving me all this stuff? Like, it's like she knows what my dream squishies are, guys. Like, these are all my dream squishies. And it smells literally so good. Oh my gosh. This is, oh my gosh. And it's adorable. Oh my gosh. 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 No. Okay, the last thing is, so this is my last ordered item that I actually purchased with my money, and it's this is actually rare. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh. So this is this rare Hello Kitty donut. It has pink frosting and chocolate drizzle and sprinkles, and it's really cute. And oh my gosh, this is adorable. And it's so soft. This is like rare. I can't believe I have a rare squishy. Oh my gosh. And like all these are all like rare. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look how slow rising that is. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh. This is just, I have to send some of these back, guys. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I don't know what I'm gonna do about this, but I'll see you guys next video. Bye.